So we just got the update yesterday. I'm now on 2018.6.1. I had a Model X for a little while that was on 2018.4.7, I believe, and it did really good on a part of the road coming up that I've notoriously had a problem with, and it was basically like a little hump in the road, kind of like a hill, but when I get to the top, it tends to drift over to another lane if I'm actually not like physically holding on to it, making sure where it goes, and a lot of times it disengages right there. And I know a lot of other people have had this same issue. Well, in that Model X that had 2018.4.7, it did beautifully with that update. So I didn't have to take over at all, anything. I thought at first maybe it was because the car on the Model X is up a little higher, maybe it saw a little bit better. So what we're gonna end up doing today is testing that. It is right coming up.
A few moments later.
Okay, so hopefully you guys can see in the video here that you can't really see the road on the other side of this hump. So let's see. Oh, no, it still drifted. That's weird. That makes me think maybe the Model X does do better because it's a little higher. I don't know though. So let's see if it can do this part. No, couldn't do that either. Let's go ahead and turn around, try it the other direction, and then we'll go ahead and just try this again and see if it does it. Okay, so we are now approaching the reverse here. So we'll see how it does. If you can see outside, it is getting kind of crappy weather out. That's why I ran out of the house to do this test real quick because it looks like we got a big snowstorm coming in. So it did this part pretty good. I mean, it was a little over towards the left, but it did it well. No real difference there. Now this hump right here, normally it always goes towards the left, like that. So apparently there's definitely a difference between the Model S and the Model X, for sure. Because the Model X certainly didn't do either of those things. It handled it beautifully. Unless, of course, that update 2017.4.7 had something different in it. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to get Scott's car out and try it in his car and see if I get the same results. Maybe the update is slightly different in terms of autopilot capabilities and updates. I don't know. So in the short time it took me to get off the road and then back on the road, snow's already starting to come down pretty heavily. I kind of saw this coming, so that's why I wanted to do the test sooner than later. And yeah, we're gonna do this one at 70 miles an hour. That's kind of like a safe speed to do here. 75 is normally what I do, but I guess I should be doing less. Whoa, now we're going to the right, okay. I mean, the snow is kind of coming down pretty heavy, but obviously you can still see the lanes. So I'm not really sure what to make of that. Okay, so it did that okay though, at 70. So maybe autopilot is more related to speed than we might have already thought. It very well could be that at a higher rate of speed, the cameras just can't process it that fast at the moment. I definitely know in the future it should be able to process that rate of speed, but for right now, it looks like if you're gonna do anything, 5 over is probably your safer bet to be able to ensure your autopilot functionality doesn't fade too much, especially over like hills and whatnot. Now there's obviously a lot of hills here, but this is the really only area that I've had a problem with. So that could be something in specific, which I'll go ahead and tweet Elon this video. Follow me on Twitter and you can like it, and maybe we can see if we can ask him if there would be any chance of being able to improve going over hills, because I know that's kind of a challenge for everything. Even for LiDAR, that would probably be a challenge. I don't know how they would handle it too, but obviously with eyes, I'm able to handle it, so I would think an optical sensor could too. That's basically it for this video, just a quick one. I wanted to kind of show you guys, hopefully that it would work. Unfortunately, it didn't work exactly as planned, but I think it still did a good job, especially coming back, going only 70 instead of 75, that seemed to help. Definitely though, if you are looking for a Tesla, check out our website, teslainventory.com. You can search by pretty much any option code Tesla's ever offered and look through all of Tesla's inventory and find the perfect Tesla for you. And if you are looking to buy an inventory or a new model, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below or at the top of our website. Actually, using that will get you free unlimited supercharging and help us get qualified for certain reward perks, which is how we get to all these cool events and bring you guys along through like the live streams and such. And if you do use our referral code, certainly send me an email through the website. That way I have your contact info, so when we take delivery of our next gen Roadster, we can invite you guys out. You can do test rides, test drives, have a really good time. I actually know a drag strip and I might be able to borrow it for the day, so we can have a lot of fun with this Roadster. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Definitely drop a thumbs up if you did. Click here to subscribe, here for some more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.